Last video namin to, guys. Last. Last.
Hi, babe. Han. Vloggers kami. Don't worry, edit ko pa to.
Pwede na kasi.
So, for today, it's recognition day with our president. President namin na na-stress sa clearance nun. Kasi naman ako lang. Kaya rin pa maging president next school. No, okay.
Buti na lang ako, nilipon na ako ng
You shut up.
Jack, di ba?
Shut up. I will nominate Hannah Audrey for president ulit.
Humility is the surest path of thy friend, and learn to envy your love and teachable. As we celebrate our recognition today, we the Dean Filipino graduates prepare to lead a
Day